LAB dropped 78% in 7 days. It ranks 70, well inside the top 250. Numbers like that don't come from a routine bad week. Something went seriously wrong. Yesterday, the screen flagged 10 coins. Here is the honest score. Edge led the day, up 36.4%. M followed at plus 14.3%. RIF and DEXY both squeezed into positive territory, under 2% each. Then the market started working against the rest. MON slipped 3.9. Down 8.2 was bonk. NEX gave back 8.7, B 11.4. At the bottom, 2 clear misses. Velvet dropped 18.1%. And ANSEM, flagged when it was already up 128% over 7 days, fell 31.2 the very next day. Sharp run-ups attract flags. Whether the move has a day or a week left in it is not something the numbers can read. The Fear and Greed Index reads 20 today. 0 is maximum fear, 100 is maximum greed. 20 puts us in extreme fear territory, the range where the market is broadly cautious and defensive. Total crypto market cap fell 1.4% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is at $62,600, down 1.1%. Ethereum fell 1.5% to $1,750. Solana had the sharpest drop of the three, down 4% to $78. One more number for context. Bitcoin's MVRV ratio is 1.2, in the 15th percentile of its historical range. MVRV compares today's price to what the average holder originally paid. At this level, the average holder is only modestly in profit. 3 coins stood out today. Start with LAB. Rank-70 puts it well inside the top 250. It fell 81.7% over 24 hours and is down 78% over 7 days. There was no volume spike attached to that collapse. No visible wave of selling in the numbers. A coin this large, dropping that hard with quiet volume, suggests something structural at the project level. A possible exploit? A token unlock? An event sitting outside the price chart? The data doesn't say which. At the other end, Edge climbed 36.8% today and 59% over 7 days. While most of the market was falling, it also moved up 51 spots in the rankings. The combination of rank climb and volume pattern is what the screen flagged. Then ANSEM. It was up 128.7% over 7 days when it appeared in yesterday's flags. Today it fell 30.8%. Large short-term run, then a pullback. The screen can see when a move has been large. Where the ceiling was is a different question. Funding rate data is absent from today's numbers. What we do have is the fear and greed reading at 20, extreme fear. That tends to show up when the market is running less leverage and positioning is quieter. It's context for everything else today. 2 coins also showed unusually high trading volume relative to their size. LDO, the Lido staking token, was running at 3.7 times its weekly average volume. MON was running 4 times its weekly average. In a market this defensive overall, that kind of activity in 2 specific coins is exactly what the screen looks for. The rolling 30-day accuracy for the interesting flag is 46%. Out of 166 flags scored at 7 days, fewer than half matched a move of 15% or more. Slightly better than a coin flip, but not by much. The biggest 7-day move in that window was plus 150.6%, 1 coin, 1 time. Most flags are quieter, in both directions. The screen reads price and volume patterns. That's it. It can't tell you why a coin moved. Lab's collapse almost certainly has a cause sitting somewhere outside the price chart. The data doesn't surface it. This is observation, not advice. It shows you what happened on screen. That's the whole claim. Tomorrow, every coin flagged today gets a grade. Edge, Lab, MON, LDO. In 24 hours, the screen will show exactly what each one did. We post the wins and we post the misses. The scoreboard goes up either way. If you want to see tomorrow's grades, subscribe. You'll get every episode. including the ones where the screen gets it wrong. That is the first print.